to this tutorial on how to back up AccurioPro FLUX. First, log into AccurioPro FLUX, either via the Windows application or via your web browser. Next, you'll need to go to the Configuration tab. Under the Configuration tab, you'll notice Administration, open Administration, and then go to Backup and Restore. You'll notice that there's an area in here to back up Flux, but also to restore from a backup. To back it up, first of all, from the drop-down menu, choose all the items that you wish to back up. There is an option to select all. If you've chosen backup, you should notice a new backup file is created and added under the restore list. You can choose to export this file, or should you wish to restore from this backup at a later date, this is where you would select it, select restore, highlight the options you wish to restore and press restore and restart.